Hi, I'm longtime bartender and Hawaiian shirt enthusiast, Caribbean Andy. We're here today to talk about pineapple juice. There's two ways you can get pineapple juice. You can buy it, or you can juice it yourself. If you have a regular juicer, even a blender and like a nut milk bag or super bag, cheesecloth fine strainer, that's a really easy way to juice pineapple. But it's also pretty messy, pretty labor intensive, can wear out your hands, and you've got a big mess at the end of it. The other way to get pineapple juice is going to buy it. You can actually Google pineapple juice taste test, and there's a couple of different articles that come up talking about dull being your best bet, and it really is. The best thing about buying pineapple juice already ready to go is that you're going to have a consistency of flavor. When you're buying fresh pineapple and then juicing that, the flavor of the juice is going to vary, as well as the amount of juice that each pineapple is going to yield. Now, you can buy this juice in this size or this size. This is only about $3, so from an economic standpoint, this is also a great way to go. The other thing about this is that once you open it up, you're probably not going to go through all of this at one time. So what I actually like to do is turn it into a syrup, which is really nice too for your home bartending, because you can replace pineapple and simple syrup or other sweetening agents in your cocktails, so you're using fewer ingredients overall. Well, without further ado, let's head into the kitchen. Hi, welcome to the kitchen. So we're going to make a pineapple gum syrup, and a gum syrup is exactly that. It's a syrup with gum. We have acacia gum powder that we're going to be including today. I've gone and measured out all of our ingredients. Of course, 1 can of dull pineapple juice, that gives us 4 cups. We're also doing 4 cups of white granulated sugar. Then we're doing 4 tablespoons of our acacia gum powder, which that's gonna thicken the syrup, make it more concentrated. It's basically the same thing that Skittles are made out of. And then just to brighten it up and act as a bit of a stabilizer, we have citric acid. Just a tablespoon of citric acid, which again is perfectly natural. It's the same kind of acid that's found in a lemon. For this stuff, I think they typically actually use corn. It's extracted from corn.
So we're going to place all of our dry ingredients into our blender. We'll blend the dry ingredients first just to mix them up a bit, and then power on the blender. As it's mixing, slowly pour in about half of your pineapple juice until most of the solids are dissolved. Gum syrups have been around for a long time, over 100 years. Acacia gum is used in so many different products that affect our daily lives, and using a pineapple gum syrup is actually a really great way to preserve your fresh pineapple juice if you even decide to go that route. This will last for at least 30 days. You will want to refrigerate it, but honestly, because of the sugar content and the natural preservative qualities of the citric acid and acacia gum, it'll pretty much last forever. Pineapple gum syrup is also the key ingredient into cocktails like Pisco Punch and can be used in just about any drink that you would normally use pineapple juice. I think it's a really great hack for home bartending. In order to enact the thickening agent qualities of our acacia gum powder, it needs to be heated. So I'm going to do that in an Instant Pot. The Instant Pot allows us to cook it under pressure, rapidizing the process of creating our syrup. Go ahead and pour your blended mixture in with your remaining pineapple juice, and then we'll cook it on low pressure for 30 minutes. You can cook this on the stovetop, or if you have it available, you can sous vide the syrup for about 90 minutes at 145 degrees.
Once it comes out of the Instant Pot, obviously your pineapple gum syrup is going to be very hot, so be sure to give it plenty of time to cool and use gloves or oven mitts, what have you, to get it out of there. Then you can put it in some containers and pop it right into the fridge. I've got 2 quarts of pineapple gum syrup. I have a couple of videos in which I utilize this for making cocktails. Definitely check out my Jungle Bird recipe. It really adds to the mouthfeel. That's one of my favorite cocktails. And this whole month I'm doing tiki drinks. This Friday I'll be uploading a new video in which I use pineapple gum syrup. I'm really excited about that one. If you enjoyed this, go ahead and hit the like button. If you found this information useful, there's more of it on the way. So subscribe and hit the little bell to turn on the notifications if you're a a person who wants to be notified of things. Thanks! Bye.